Welcome students. Our today's topic is pH of solution. From the lesson Acids, Bases and Salts of Science and Technology Standard 9. We have seen that acid and bases undergoes dissociation on dissolving in water and gives rise to hydrogen ion as the only cation, and OH means hydroxyl ions as the only anion. Hydrogen and hydroxyl ions are found in different proportion in all natural aqueous solution that determines the properties of solution. For example, the proportion of hydrogen and hydroxyl ions decides the soil whether it is acidic or basic or neutral. In all chemical reactions or chemical processes like fermentation, the proportion of hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion should be maintained. It is very necessary to maintain the accurate proportion of hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion for blood and cell sap also for their proper functioning. Water also dissociates and gives rise to equal proportion of hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ions after dissociation. See the data. The concentration of hydrogen ions formed by dissociation of water is 1 into 10 raised to minus 7 mole per liter at 25 degrees Celsius. But at the same temperature, the concentration of hydrogen ions in 1 molar HCl is 1 into 10 raised to 0 mole per liter. And at the same temperature, the concentration of hydrogen ions of 1 molar sodium hydroxide is found 1 into 10 raised to minus 14 mole per liter. Thus, from this data, we see that the common aqueous solution has the range of hydrogen ion from 0 to minus 14, means 10 raised to 0 to 10 raised to minus 14. In 1909, the Danish scientist Sorensen, name of that scientist is Sorensen, introduced the new scale for measuring the hydrogen ion concentration. That scale is known as the pH scale. The term pH, P stands for potence, this is German word. The meaning of that word is power. In English, potence means power and H means hydrogen ion. pH stands for power of hydrogen ion. According to this scale, the pH of neutral solution is 7. This scale ranges from 0 to 14 or 1 to 14. The neutral solution, like pure water, has a pH 7. The acidic solution has a pH less than 7 from 1 to 6. The solution is acidic. And if the pH is greater than 7, that solution is considered as base. See this table. This table show the pH of some important solutions. The first strong acid The example of strong acid is given here, hydrochloric acid of 1 molar solution. It has a pH 0. Then vinegar, it has a pH 3.0. The pH of black coffee is 5.0. Acid rain has a pH 5.6. Urine and rainwater, these are the weak acids. These solutions has the pH 6.5. Neutral solution like pure water or sugar solution, it has a pH exactly 7. See, the 7 is midpoint of this pH scale. Then weak bases examples, blood. Blood has the pH 7.4. Then baking soda in aqueous form, it has the pH 8.5. Toothpaste has the pH 9.5. It is basic in nature. Then lime water, it has the pH 11.0. Lime water means not lemon water. Lime water means calcium hydroxide in aqueous form. It has the pH 11.0. And the example of strong base is given, sodium hydroxide of 1 molar solution. It has the pH 14. So, thus pH scale gives us the accurate properties of solution. There is another way also to measure the hydrogen ion concentration. For example, use of universal indicator. Universal indicator means it is the mixture of synthetic indicators. It shows different colors in different solution. The most accurate method of measuring hydrogen ion concentration is use of electrical device like pH meter. Thank you for watching this video.